Hello everybody, we're back for another duck hunt. We got Uncle Barney, we got Papa, we got Dad. Got our decoys, setting them up right now. Coming out for the afternoon. Hoping to kill some ducks. Last about 5 hunts have not been good, so hoping for something better. So stay tuned. There you are. First duck, straight green wing, and there's more coming in as I'm talking.
Well, we've been out here for about 5 minutes. My dad missed a Drake pintail, then Jody shot a green wing. Take him, Dad. I got him. Great pintail. Who's claiming that one? I didn't fire a shell. Didn't hurt him. Too bad. Hold him up, Barn. Nice. Oh, you got him another one.
Nice shot. Dad out front.
There you go.
I got that one.
Well, I bet you $1 million that mine's gonna look like I hit it too. I did.
There's old Titus and Jake and Nathaniel out there. They're probably mercenaries. What do we got so far? 6 birds?
Yeah.
And we've only been here, what, 45 minutes?
Yeah.
We're doing pretty good so far.
That was mine if he ever comes down. Shoot him, Dad. Dad, you're talking about? No, you got that one. Mine kept going. Hen spoony. Nothing like a spoonbill. Well, one thing for sure, nobody wants to come out here. So we got 4 assassins right here. And right over there is 3 mercenaries. It's a dangerous spot to be. Good shot, Johnny.
Oh, wow. That could be the prettiest I've shot. He's perfect.
Thank you. You got now. It's a band! No way. It's a band! I got a band! Yeah! It's banded? Yeah! Yes! Yes! Yeah! That's awesome!
way! That's awesome!
Oh my god, you said that. I thought you was lying.
That is the highest shot I've ever seen.
You're so lucky.
Yeah? Yeah! Banded pintail. that was the highest shot. What do you have to say about that?
I can't believe it.
First year duck hunting, just got a banded pintail right there. Oh, I got it. Are you kidding me?
Nice. That was a BB.
Dad, nice shot.
Did you hit that?
That was Dad.
That was awesome. Hey, that was longer. That was further than Barney. I'll get it for you, Dad. I appreciate it, Barney.
That was pretty awesome.
Uncle Barney right in front of you. Straight green wing. Got one coming straight in. Hen Spoonie. She came in good to the call.
Nice. Hey.
That was another hen spoonie. Choice of champions. The blueberry.
Oh my gosh.
How?
I didn't really want that. That was a pin.
How? I was aiming my hardest.
It landed right there.
It went down.
Got him. My goodness. That duck, your dad got one all the way over there.
Yeah.
Oh, the runner.
I got that one.
Well, I just shot my limit.
Dead now.
Rocky. Well, we're ending the day here. We met up with Titus. Say hi.
What's up, guys?
Mid-Valley Mercenaries. Jake, how did his day go?
It was alright. I could have shot better, but I had a blast.
All right. Dan, how was your day?
Okay.
Okay. They were set up in the blind over there next to us. We were over here. Had a blast. Papa shot a Ross goose. He shot his banded pintail. We'll find out the information on that later. But overall, it was a great day. One of the funnest hunts of the season. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you next time. Be sure to like and subscribe.